847, question for Igor. I have a 12 by 12 inch tile made of a mixture of vinyl and ceramic. Does your company do deep clean steaming of those types of tiles?
So we don't steam per se, Wendy, but we absolutely have a deep cleaning process. We'd be happy to take a look at the floors and see what the best approach might be. But yes, we offer deep cleaning for wood floors, vinyl, ceramic, tile type floors. So absolutely.
Frank?
Okay, it's a really good question. So you said you don't steam, but every deep cleaning I've ever heard of in my lifetime has always involved steam. So how do you do it?
So
it's a special formulation.
They do things differently.
I know,
Mr.
right?
Floor, right? Yeah.
So educational.
Yeah. So the problem with steam, Frank, on a wood floor is it's just too much water.
Moisture, baby.
Well, he was
It's too
talking
much water.
ceramic.
I know.
I understand. So we've basically developed a process where we can come out and use high-speed buffers and buffing wheels in our cleaning system, and in other words, we can shear off whatever debris may be embedded there through that process without the use of steam, without the use of water, those sorts of things.
So in the event of my floor, we installed all new hardwood floor when we bought our house 18 years ago, right? And it looked great. And then, we were probably cleaning it wrong. And then, add 5 puppies and 2 dogs and 5 kids later and all the fun and the life. There's some spots where the finish is gone.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Just worn. Now we know, hey, we're going to refinish this whenever we're ready to move out our whole troop and refinish it. But let's say we're not ready for that right now. Would your team come out and deep clean or clean my hardwood floors, even though that there's spots that might not have a finish on it?
Yeah, for sure. So deep cleaning is a kind of a neutral process, meaning that we can clean your floors. So in other words, we can accelerate the process that we're advocating here today.
Sure.
And that is the use of our cleaning products, microfiber pads, that sort of thing. So, but if you wanted to accelerate that process and get yourself, let's say 3, 4, 5 months down the road, we can come out and through the use of, again,
I'm totally going to do this. I can't wait.
Yeah. No, I mean, it's not going to do anything for your spots.
Of course.
But
really?
it'll get your floors clean.